Adom 106.3 FM Sony Fabɛwɔso Mrenaso. Memfa Nasishon Kwema Pan African Savings and Loans, Vita Milk, Greenfield Scientific Herbal, and a Franco Trading Enterprise. And I said the Medicare can in some war. Now, yeah, boy, a rasa can be takradibi. The Akoso effort 3 takrade missing girls in sense. Ubekaya for us here at multimedia, you launch a hashtag be on social media. Say bring back our tardy girls, bring back our tardy girls, and we cross started be December 2018, year January 2019. At the time, na yenuya mami and sano ayira because our first one ayira is somewhere around June and August baako koye ansa na November the last one echo enti eni eba ho aye hu se ade ya aginsem no on mining attention echo so no that was around December 2018. At the time not the first young girl I call missing no akọ for bare 4 months na ye hu no ansa no mining adwen eba so and the adwen eba so from December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July and a year August. That's some 8 months any time of mining adwen eba so from December 8 months abesenko as we speak ye hu ye nuanom ma no. But se wo share over the months voices are abba and komo CID boss Yeneno Eddie, Minister of State in charge of national security at the presidency, the Yeneno Eddie, any other high-ranking police officials in Sema Waka. Said na Kojo Yanks and air can no pay no as a contradictions kakra ewum. Inti ende the ababe city say police for your operation e watakrade. Say omakwa ko hu nipa be miensa one skeleton e wo a friend is a septic tank bimu. Ewa cancer road efia na abrantia Nigeria near police for nsa asodi mu na otim enono. But even a no contradictions that do so and na I say a scar nipa tikwankra ne mienu ochina I say nipa miensa skeleton ensem no aye bebre but me mpesa mesa e womre yenko ne yenko tietie voices ne bi edikan Dr. Osei Ankra e kasa fa asansem ye ho na owo nsem bi ka police for
say as at now time and okasa no we know where they are and very soon we will bring them to their families. We will reunite them. Now some because say ne okan obi adu anu esibon obi adu anu esefa na mami tu awa ye serious and say agro no odi office one not na agro no odi and say mami tu aba na yira ya nkoba be ka say asmo okan ne ye ante ne ye say ne ofaba ba na yira ya anka be ne de ko prayer camps ko here enipa dodo e da ho a ensu e bompa e peba na obi awo ahwe ne ba 18 years 16 years say nkwara na yira wo a yama the coercive power of the state say kona ko hwe nkwara ne bra no wo say o asma kan no ya nte ne ye ya so asi nnu ya che ya so da agro no ote ha odi no what is happening say asma no kan ya nte asi e say wuro no oka no hwan na age na no asma kan no odwene ho asma kan no he okasa wie no is on tape. The PRO of CID no ebe kan say so omunim ne omugina so anka ne boss nkasa the PRO of CID sa no be kan say so omunim ne omugina so anka ne boss nkasa sa ada odi edi agro say ono ne bank obe won say ne esite sometimes let's put ourselves in people's shoes yawo say nkwan so omote ase so ma unyankopon penenim obe kan say me 7 weeks ni. What are you talking about? And nipan kwani yedi agro no. So bi aja pade ayira, obi bi na obi sika na ayira. Anka mani mresa. And nipa dasani na ayira no. Now what we are boss. You are not an ordinary CID personnel. Una ya boss. Any aduma hunu na otwara odini nse hunu okache Ghana man say asmo kan ye gina no si money. Give us a break. Mami tu aduma no tumi nya. Also resign. So resign o mapanyin na di. Ense hunu na odi no. Hey.
Dr. Osei Ankra churcheni penyin was Central University and mote say one many penyin Captain Smart edi nkomo odwumedie eso and we 7 weeks after say na police CID boss akasa say police for nim baby a yenua ma miensa no ehye enya no nko but say they are safe na very soon on be say they wanna break when ebusuafo and the year ka say press conference police for a year no be 3 months atwam meboa be 3 months atwam up until now, the latest I had to any see now what you hear. Ebi obeka say okay na CID boss na nkasa manfo aka say e den nsem pote na CID boss COPT wa adodankwa eka yentie.
Together with the BNI, we've worked very well, and currently we know where the girls are. I am unable to give the details because we don't want to compromise their safety. We are working hard together with other stakeholders so that these girls are brought back home safely. The assurance to the family is that they should keep on keeping on. The ladies, we know where they are and they are safe. If you really know how kidnapping works, there's something that you don't have to do to compromise the safety of the girls in hostage. Like I said, it's taking us over 3 months to even identify where the ladies are. And what we don't want to do is to do anything that will jeopardize the safety of that. So we are working very hard. All stakeholders who are supposed to be on board are on board. And hopefully the girls will be brought back safe and sound.
Okay, inti COPT wa adodankwa police CID boss. There's a criminal investigations department of the Ghana Police Service. Oga at the top and no penya or dano and amoten and kano. Oka brofo inti ebia wa antiasie. Ba okasa wie ye no ewie na mu ne ye no edi nkomo. Metre ni PRO a oda police CID ano. Ono di nkyeremu ne ba ye de na ne boss e pa report mu ntie no.
Yes, we know what the girls are. The girls are safe, and very soon we will reunite them with their families. I think that is the update we wanted to give. We know what we have said, and we're going to work with it. And indeed, very soon, we will reunite these kidnapped girls with their families. And I come very soon. Security issues, so we don't want to give timelines. But for want of a better word, no, let's just use very soon, which can mean even in the next 30 minutes and not some more, no, we can still call a press conference and then inform all Ghanaians that let's continue to be partners in this direction. And then I'm sure that Yaka and the Director General Ekayano, we would do that and put it into fusion and bring it into action. So let's still maintain, say yes, we have come out to say so we know what the girls are. Our image, Ghana Police Service CID, our image is at stake. But we still said it because we know where the girls are. The girls are safe, and very soon we will reunite them with their families.
And the CID Kasamafo and Moten Kano. And it's interesting, sir. The same PRO na issue statement. Now what we are I would find our statement na makai amamo. And utied your kai and not just say police for him the omonai ejenaso. And she spoke with certainty. Say omunim the omonai esiso. Na omunim say yenuanom ma no safe. Now very soon, I say very soon, no, ebetima the next 30 minutes, and that was 30 minutes after say CID boss a press conference. The next 30 minutes, obetima say another press conference bio. I'm a Ghana for you now, baby, I'm a framano ewo. And this is the PRO of the Criminal Investigations Department of the Ghana Police Service. Asema na oka enono. Ono ekasawie ye no, mekai sebe a week later. And I'm a Minister of State in charge of National Security at the presidency, Honorable Brian Echampon, Edin Komo, Ewo Ekosi saying so. The Ononso Kai any. In terms of country or movement and the munim.
I think that in terms of country where the investigation is leading, I think we do.
You know we do. You think we do. Which is which?
I know we do.
Okay.
But you see, we knew the Canadians were in Ghana. We knew they had not crossed our borders. Mm-hmm. One. We knew that even though we had trailed the kidnappers from Aflao to Ashaman to Kumasi and certain sections of Kumasi, we knew that they were not in Ashaman. We knew that they were in Kumasi. Where in Kumasi, then we drilled down until we got to a house. So people put the question, if you know where the children are, then go and bring them. It's not as easy as that. Yeah. And that is where I want to clarify so that you don't put in the minds of people that, almost in the war.
It will no country, no movement. You are doing everything possible to bring them back.
Absolutely.
As part of Norway, no, do we also know some we are alive or dead?
The information we have now, they are fine. They don't wish to be where they were, but we know that they are fine. If it was otherwise, we would have known.
Okay, my answer more way beyond the where Minister of State in charge of national security at the presidency, Brian Achampon, in terms of country,
I think that in terms of country where the investigation is leading, I think we do.
You know we do. You think we do. Which is which?
I know we do.
Okay.
But you see, we knew the Canadians were in Ghana. We knew they had not crossed our border. One. We knew that even though we had trailed the kidnappers from Aflao to Ashaman to Kumasi and certain sections of Kumasi, we knew that they were not in Ashaman. We knew that they were in Kumasi. Where in Kumasi, then we drilled down until we got to a house. So people put the question, if you know where the children are, then go and bring them. It's not as easy as that.
Yeah.
And that is where I want to clarify so that you don't put in the minds of people that, almost so many in the Biomo.
And we know country, no more, and you are doing everything possible to bring them back.
Absolutely.
As part of Norway, do we also know some we are alive or dead?
The information we have now, they are fine. They don't wish to be where they were, but we know that they are fine. If it was otherwise, we would have known.
Honorable Brian Achampon and Moten and Canada. This was, I think, after national security operational and kidnappers at your friend is saying 2 Canadian girls, national security for Ensa Ekan. Immediately after that operation, and Minini didn't come away could see saying so, and we found a way of sneaking in the issue of the 3 missing Takrade girls. In the response to the Maya and earlier, Miss Juliana Obeng. Ono ye head of public affairs unit at the CID. Yabo on a voice Emma Oka said ye na ne boss patron and say omunim baby are 3 missing girls ne wo and they are safe and that very soon they would be reunited with their families. Now what we on the 2nd of August, the same public affairs unit of the Criminal Investigations Department statement we etuja almost say as part of investigations into the 3 Takrade kidnapped girls. The Criminal Investigations Department and the Western Regional Command earlier this evening, August 2nd, 2019, conducted an operation at Kansarurodo, a suburb of Takrade. During the operation, which took place at about 7 p.m., some human remains were retrieved from a septic tank at an uncompleted building. The building was previously occupied by convict Samuel Odiotuk Willis, who is one of the accused persons standing trial for allegedly kidnapping the 3 Takrade girls. The discovered human remains will be sent to the Forensic Science Laboratory of the Ghana Police Service for analysis and further investigation. Signed, Ms. Juliana Obeng, Deputy Superintendent of Police, Head Public Affairs Unit, CID. And I'm Otiene Nkalo. Mamin kwa umane so Dr. Ochre Ankra. Ejina so, Doc, oti yenke mwa kwa Dwaso Nsem Soni.
Obi Medioso, Michiatifo.
What voices are Yabubo and the SC with the 3 missing girls? Earlier, me bo voice after say CID for a press conference car say Omunim baby girls know and that they are safe and very soon on beside the one Abba and the titini at all saying.
Obi. I have to restrain myself so much because I rehearsed. There were more questions than answers so far received. Yemisa Sarisem said, Tama and Mofrani Ryan, it denied him and Hannah or Moropoto police report. So from the family through the community where they lived and then the police. What time? Some information when in our air country. Time then police for Ensaka. That's the first thing. Police for non-saka information or report on them. Then no more yeah. As I said also on my you. Nina Kamfuano, you see, yet Tibia or your suspect. At the local, sir. And Manipano, it me a Tie Ganin. I may sound controversial, but that is my view. Nipani Tie Ganin, and I am a police for now, normally in charge, number of hours. So, Omoko Nipanemra, and yes, Oman and we know on record. How many hours and to me the Chinipana or no why escape no? Because na police knew him back into Nipana side and by. Or by or back or court to say he was aided to go out. The Kofa hacksaw blade at the brain, no to be try or the gunny. Until when the blade in the command now, or to me the try, police cells are no a suspect to me gunny. Ebesine nipa no obo an ye nteve ya transfer nipa afi dia na nipa de da cells ya transfer is that a punishment? So obi atumi aboa a suspected criminal am na tumi escape ya the only thing I have to ever station when say ya transfer omanda ni atimi ya transfer nti nipa no send who wom send who nim. That aspect, wouldn't say to me at the court, Emma, the actor or to me escape you know, no. You didn't find jail on that. No, no to me escape you born as some money the jail on that aspect. Now, your boy no money Ghanaian, yen Kahofi, Ubi answer me and Kahofi, yen Ding. What they are not to say, CID boss and a day in the press conference in her west. We know where they are. And you can see me in a casa. See the boss, Penia, Unimdi. When I read her records and her history, I'm amazed. So why yeah, Duma pa any normal human being, who the records I was saying, Mammy, any Maduma. So what happened? What went wrong? Is the police so media happy? Said, or many said, Giddy about the trouble on Tiakasani, who's the empire, yeah, Duma. Ye ni mo de mom ye te ye kan say o man bi so no police want to me investigation be 10 years o ma out o be ba out no mo kura evidence and then the share no man dey prepare no say o kwaya press conference sabi ye nti brofunti owi o say ye agina no si boni ma o no ni PR o stand the kasa say tie ni in her west our image is on the line tie ni bibia ye gina so a anka me boss on kasa nti omo obi bi omo gina so ade ntina ebesi ne omo gina so no yehu na say me am a security expert me I know nothing in security na obi a suspect ama ya chena ehefa na ye ni oman mu ma ye suspect politician so why bibia ye tumi qualify ko ransack ho ejige ne mobile phones ne gadgets ye ni oman yente ekoba ne say na ya chenkwara ebi kwasi ebi bosomi nwotwe ni eni akire na afi na ye kwakwa search criminal ni fie ehu se septic tank ayiwo skeleton and say edumpewu ebe tumi mpa ba say ni pen aye san ye ma ya che anye nkwara ni ese pe no ma che o nti did they have to take that long and say na because ya ko omo fie ho akwa search and no see ye ko no fan say we na di pedi akire adaya ye ko yin kase. Couldn't they have done this on the quiet? And no see if media who said, yeah, Juma. What is happening? You see, a baby, as a son could be a cassette, my Yamajuma ye. As a sub baby, and cap, or be watching the castra. Near a coming soon, Mupa and said, or be a to me of a castra, said, we know where they are. Near to me, coffee, baby, and Koran, or near for Mumma. Na obi one man suspect ni epie yanka o dwane ye ka sa onu mo be kire no de ye tumi kwachi say nipa de bae say e yo mo ho de ya then they work just this week yente say IGP say if it calls for the whole Ghana police to be sent to the north to get the criminals who killed that innocent policewoman or the one that call fantastic I like his exuberance say obey Juma no name say timamu force or man for na kasa se bibi to ya police for be trust and same way na I'm so saddened this morning say o man the security no ye di agro na dey yan wan say that suspect no say on kasa afembe no mo katre
but doc unyi nso say maybe just maybe we are all running ahead of ourselves in that police force statement or by and say investigations into 3 missing takwade girls no any information on one the trace say it was so much septic tank nim and
it took them 1 full year and no munya information.
Well, I mean, we can ask a legitimate question to ask. But police for also will say, they've told the Ghanaian people, say, they call lab, forensic lab, akoye DNA, to establish whether a young Kwalano and answer a young Kwalano. Why don't we wait?
I don't even want to think about that. And Nima Dream, say, DNA said, Jebel said, men fahu. Men pesa meti a china and answer, ne DNA say, I don't want to take that because police is from paying for say they know where the children are and they are safe. And when they know where the children are and they are safe. So we want to see the children live. And young Kasa Mona will be able to cast a yes test. I confirm me say I don't want to ever think about that. No. Almost see and they are alive and they are safe. They don't want to do anything about compromise on their security. That's what they told us. And
any twist in the investigations? No?
I don't want to believe that. People who have knowledge in security, people who have the authority and the coercive power of the state. I don't mind to me now, mom say, on betting investigation, they can go anywhere to get whatever information they want. We don't want to hear any other thing.
Doc, my menasi, ebesin din komobio. Why? Medase papa painti Dr. Osei Ankra and Amotene Kasane Makaro trainee penny our Central University and Matisi and Nidin Komo and pay the latest was Nsem way mu and say Obekaya Medicaya kind police force statement at Tremo. So police force say Omakwa kunya human remains be in a septic tank. Now omode ba forensic lab ewon kan ha ba be investigations. DNA investigations as it were to ascertain whether say a nuanom man and na say enye won. But answer na DNA test ebe successful no uhia sample being so every say 3 missing girls no one awofo ho na what they are compared to what the police would have with remains now umanya no and they awofo no so say they would not cooperate with the police. A sign said omotie stories ni bebre stories no enkikensie ni papa enti anya de ombe cooperate with the police no na omo kiremu a agese police for hye wonbo say ombe kwakoye sa investigations no outside Ghana but say Ghana ha ya de a anya de a ombe cooperate with the police yenu anom ma na ayera no ba ko enua ba panyin ede nsem wei etudwa yentie no
na CID no offer me one night, which was the February 9 mo. I mean to me record papa, but offer me one night beside me nuane blood group. And a son and she must share the last girl no so the man also offer our family beside. Or your last girl no ne blood group. Printy in some work or do you strange wo case name from beginning in ya or ye baby kwa. Even to cry work the boy in the family cry on your possible. And I see ya new one abe is not guilty. 3 days, 2 days. And I like I say, lady, a police phone mo wako man home, wako fa. Or your bones are ogu man home. Sha sabe or my may someone when I want for when we are phone to in some may sorry coin and some may or end no there's something going on now. Yen painful yen national security, you know. One my yen away. My mommy they make it there for now police phone card or your mafma training day. So yen didn't want to me so and card or your mafma train because investigation be actually they are still alive.
Thank you. Okay, enti yenuano mami ensana ayira na ba kunua panyin na moten nka no really interesting. Enti omono puti 1 and 2 together to arrive at a conclusion say as a police for and the national security for kansem bebrea ema wontrimu eye won na kakra. But in there so waje atomu say e was say forensic test results no eba we are then we know what to say. But omono every say Bibia police for aka in time past say emoframa miensa no eda so tiase. And that's where they are looking at. Very interesting. But I mean kwa homa no ni nkomo we tell. Ora Paul Boateng security analyst or homa so me ni nkomo na yemra too bad. The line no I drop you work the lines and get him back. Na afia hwe ene no etimi atoa ye nkomo ne so. Dwaso Nsem so ni wa Adom 106.3 FM Fabɛwɔso and ye hwe de abremu. Lot and lot of your comment on your Facebook live streaming. Kelvin Kwabena Kwatin says, after the DNA, the police will make another U-turn and tell us it's the children because they don't want to accept failure on their side. Okay, Matisse Ora Paul Boatiaba. Ora Boatia Kwaba. Apomu ya dear.
About the other room, and I'm also
what the in semi echi from time a shas here up to weekend the ayate free police for honey a day at saying maybe you do see
yo mammy can't yet for na make us a bobby pusa and things a young so I asked some the beginning on facts and there's a day mammy na ne beka ne se abane santi no ya bibia be menyame
but realistically what's your reaction because me sure weekend the police statement by following operations a course work cancer road as a Ghana for adjesa statement no with I don't know say a pinch of salt the right expression but as a bebre na no enhyeda enye Nioma enni papa from where you sit any who put you security lenses no honor what's happening over the Ghana for air prayer and hold on yenya butrema police investigations forensic test no munwi answer
niema kan say enya se Ghana for na air prayer ho na mentam blame bambo for but we no blame bia beba yemfa mo bambo for no. If you say, Mimi Nimdiamuno operations say no plan. And Kaya Yano Bra, fancy you why you do any part of doing to opportunity and witness. If you say, and some no, unta send a shas, no, and who can and some cano, I be brilliant, you know. Bambo for no, never send Kawamo train, no conduct to our operation or brank any part of doing media crown on Camunia at a movie place. But sani ade ne koye no before class and no police for no crowd be babonten no na media mo di nyina atuga e ba de sa e hadwen e ba ne sa oni abusuafo no ne o man ni nyina engi ni entimi e ho no sani eniema na hyase no ubusa me personal viewer me feel say bambos for no dwumadie na ho no etochema kakra enti se Ghana for e ka sembia na omudika ade a omudika
Waka say the specific operation Saturday and Ajono na Ewasanka police for yen on the quiet. In Tibia sirens near the other one car so draw attention bar one so no it was not a good strategy in your view, Meboa.
Sa pepe ni kwa sanka banisa me no because you see asem na che ana se wo hwese ne asem no kona in fact ubusu obia wonim bambo hu dwuma na ubusu obia wonim se ne kidnap pesi ye wo modwuma na after 3 days obe consider issue na as 70-30 70 no chere se bia they are presumed dead enti no unya na so nipa no mo life na chere se wa fan se fine because wo hwe you say what types of kidnapping your ritual ones, your political ones, even royal ones so your virtual kidnappings and we share kidnappings do na would we better a ritual category so if you say for no okay, a family now, say demand be at $30,000. I'm not sure that main castle minister there, but a choir, a shah, fitia, sieno, and say, one demanding ransom be armor. And yet to send a dear and fast Canada for the demanding ransom by $800,000. No, me. And in a banisa, now what to me at swiftly, but send your cobaye, fine. And some now me do police for no enter reporting in the beginning. No, now I bedru ya kwa afe. My coach suspect, meaning suspect by a matching in Nigeria, just and near my costume. And you do this level, say, any panel, Eli Mamuli, Namakwa, any person who conduct operation or blind, any paddle duona, betimiania. Opportunity normal witness.
Yeah, but the point, the view and also the perception in the public, case no police for Dwaso, they are not doing much, and there's a police for your lead be na say omo kwaku follow up on I was said to me who say police for juma and yes or mada ana
there bambo juma na yanti sa kwa enye ni sa because sabe who ye juma no if do obey juma say ne be ya yenye etima mu benya gidie wo mu but so one hwe ni yin so ana wo kwasa ne ma so what you say issue we no ye issue a eda wo mani nyina so ana ebusuya ni nyina so ho enti eguni ebusuya ni nkuta hodie no e wose bridge bia no edimu na uti make sure say ne wo koye no e affect community ni nyina so ho enti na ho no na me make say operation say no de ka wasan ko mo koye ubetimi akoye na homache se munyi aka de fra na ubetimi after eniema ben pa na muhia say umfa akwa homache ya muntimi nye so ntimi me na ho no aye dede Ghana for dodo na ya ka no nyina no me feel say
there is this other worrying thing me te ha personally no ha madwen kakra say ene families me ensana abom akase of course officially omon kanche police there but mama yen reporter on the ground kojo yanks na ya aware say enya de ombe cooperate with our police DNA test our police for person woye no because omo stories now say nioma enkekensie ni papa say family ni take our position now where do we go from here enye police for adwuma no mo na ye den dodo
no ebe man na ye because police for ni hia ebusua no mwatimi aye sa forensic test no enti no eba ne sa ebe ye de ba me fin say aba ne say no na ma ebusua no e de oyawo can fin say se wo mo liaison officer oni ebusua ne dinkuta ho a ombetimi atoa so edinkuta ho me fin say ba now there was a bi kra o mama busua ne psychologist bi a obetimi nso no wo dinkuta ho eba ne sa ebeboa na se wo mo antimi ankoperate dia ebe no be adwuma no but ebeche ebesan happen no best chance omo and come command to a normal momody no it may establish a fact no actually commando do na wachiri no consem se gusa bebre o hono ma wasi gusa ni etimi edi hunduma
family ne say unless say police for sure won bo say sa test no omonye wo Ghana ha but they would get an independent body outside Ghana to run sa DNA test no say ba sa dia they would cooperate asem papa
say na chese on pese bia on pese on chese Ghana ha ni yentimi nya na
no omo say omo nyi police for ni
there be the case na do no there mesle omo nya didie na ni edu no I to say no bia ni hwem enti nya dia say omo police for betumi aka say enye wo ma ana say enye wo mo nso on beka say eye wo ma enti no mo ma yenya abosre na mo incorporate na say resource ne mra resource ne ba na kire hu nkomo bebre ho ho no ye betumi adi no kure wo mu bia mfin se bedadi yes o mo incorporate
ora bo atemi na say And the Paul Boatin security analyst and Amutesi and no Edin Komo Fabɛwɔso ni Dwaso Nsem Adom 106.3 FM and the Abefa calls be miensa and 9 bi na afei ye the Fabɛwɔso SC na mpensen mu no atwa moso make us a deputy national communications officer of the NDC atena se owura kwakubu ahen atena se sanso na Ernest Yaukumi bebe na afɛ na akwatia de hye Ononso Ababe cancer ewo eha, and he is one of the people AI the Akwetia seat on the ticket of the NPP. Before that, no yemfa calls no na fe yenhwani into me and Dwaso ewo dwumadie eso enti yenya obi wa homa so okay. Good morning
Obi.
Yes
Me bacho Obama ni
Obama ewo suhum Obama mienti
Obi Mama yanhwa de bi o. Unjin de say suspect na only the delegation no. Unjin de say ayade a omayache you omanya ho akwa bi egu hodom no na oma police no ko he say de be ya omatwe police fo no adwene efi takwade girls no so na mesre busuafo say omonto mo ase results na be pim baba no na ebe wo say eyampa say eyankola na say enyankola no obi yakofo nshira wate
me da say Obama ye chia so humfo nya 0302 216 561 and 0302 216 562 Frank. Good morning.
Hello morning.
Me ba cho hwan ni
Bacho, my friend Ansam Casafisu.
Ansam Yenti.
Wahu, Debia, ye can't police as some more man with ma. Now, quite say, ye cassette yaubi. As someone see, 50 Meresantini, Obiabu, Adene were Johnny. One to me, I reset here, who said, Biano, be obey to me, Bia, Mamutino, Johnny into no quiet and see a bashful Sadianum. Says, I'll catch the bush, and phone says, say, get a one for how to bush and phone. Wow, into police for no more, and yet, my phone, you to more police for an echo on my way with the Trebia. Aya, and to be so on a boss on a bar and call no Ben saying. Intimate Darcy.
Yes, we are Darcy. Good morning.
Yeah, good evening, Obi.
Me patron wine.
I'm patron from Kobe, me Kasasi Swedro.
Kobe was Swedro, me and you.
Me Darcy the Obi. First August, when on my new discussion about the safetyness of this country. Precisely, Ukra maybe mentioned about the street lights and others.
Yes.
So, above in what Baguna Sudro, Nana Boche, Nana Domon Sorio, share you cool or painful ya, I will Sudro, not that it would be when a sign by telephone. As Fred, as you said, you could know my friend, say you couldn't panatwa, now one brand, now one befa. Obi. Usha same way you won't penny for you have your MP or the sector minister agenda, your MC, your working for your lawyers, your judges, your doctors. Women now you bring the politicians are you doing all the service to see our fuck with now it's super good.
Nya botre na nso asa wo di hu to amanfo so do nya botre
special nature say ya ka tankofo utna kam at odi fresh na bisa na ekọ
aguna swedro yai
na make show
na u paint picture say mate anyway since wo de ma ye na ase na o kasa de na che police for nso aso ate omo e wo national headquarters please move in aguna swedro. Good morning.
Yeah, more Obi watching.
Major Osona, me patron why ni?
Yeah, we kasa free no.
Okay, me and you.
You best say Ghana and say asabana ba ni nyina you bi aya. Enti pamcha wa wo de bia police for no e ka kire awofo no. Omo hwe so do mbeti. Na omo hwehwem. Na hwehwem no, eno na be me ehu say police for no aka no kre ana say omo twantro. Eno achi no ana bibi wo ho a na busuafo no atimi asori atia police for no. Enti ebesa busuafo nyina so munya botre na asam na aba no omo nto ombo aso omo hwehwem na se de opani ba ko beka se asam no ani nyina wo ho enti nya de a omo betimi aye bibi kataso wo mu aso bia enti omo nya botre fa na asam na aba no omo hwehwem yi na do beka bia no do omo nti na omo ncheki na yenhwe di na me beye enu be mi ahu sa no akin sa police for no twantro a ade so betimi se police for the court obetimi twam damage eduro mu nya botre ma police na do maka no mu no mo hwehwem na bibia enkoso ne be frɛ sɛ ebe we achi no e magana fo nyina obi entu no fo obi ahwɛ no ho so yie
Minu amen so me da say enti ebusuafo no said ye nyina ye can at least cooperate with the police na ye hwe said ye nyoma ebe kwakwakose final call my radio nimra from me bacho aha enti ye de be fa nipa for good morning me bacho hwan
me bacho kwesi amakatazi driver
kwesi yetio
okay obi wunim enemi wa samba kupe ka Ghana for wunim say enu kra ye ndi wo Ghana ha emu penifo emu omu de adwuma enu na ma ye bre yehu kokko a ye nkase kokko because already no ebusiafo na omo afa adwin bi dida because nipa na omo chi ni share sell na omo gya no omo agya ye bibi different dida nti wu ka bibi kire omo omo njindi nti nu kra na ye ndi no enu na ha ye wo Ghana ha ye di nu kra ye mbrebium nukre na yendi no enu na haye nti yendi nukre
mame na se na yenhwem fancy yentumi emfa calls no ebia wose yehwe ne yede impensen mo no ebrem na ye beda yaboafo ase omo eso ye na sem ye de Fabɛwɔso bremo Pan African Savings and Loans, Vitamilk, Greenfield Scientific Herbal, and a Franco Trading Enterprise. Ye de impensen mo to amoso Awake Mineral Water and a Super Sem or say build your dream. I'm gonna boy me in pensen mo ebrem kwaku boy here atena se ns ya komi enso atena se montie we ye ba ye in pensen mo no eto amoso. Stay with us. In terms of country